Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math, question number 76. Arrange the following fractions in descending order. Now the first number is 5 over 11, the second one is 1/5, and the third is 5 over 9. So for fractions greater than 0, which is positive, if the numerators are the same, the larger the denominator, the smaller the value of the fraction. I repeat again, for fractions greater than 0, which is positive numbers, which are positive numbers, if the numerators are the same, the larger the denominator, just like 5 over 11 and 5 over 9, we know that 5 over 9 is greater than 5 over 11. The smaller the denominator, the larger the fraction. Similarly, the larger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. All right? And now we can change 1/5 to the equivalent fraction, which is 5 over 25. We times 5 to the numerator of the fraction and the denominator of the fraction at the same time. And we can see, since 25 is larger than 11, so the value of the fraction 5 over 25 will be smaller than 5 over 11. But the answer, when we are going to answer this question, we need to write down the original form of the fractions. So the answer here is 5 over 9 greater than 5 over 11 and greater than 1/5. Alright? 我用中文给大家解释一下这一道题。对于一些分数，如果说它们的分子是一样大的，那么对于它们这些是大于0的分数，那么只要是它们的分母越小，这个分数就会怎么样？它的值就会越大。而我们的分数如果说它的分母越大，对于正的这样子的一个同分子分数，那么它的这个值分数的值就会越小。那么在这个时候呢，我们也要注意到，我们在这里呢，刚才忘记提的这个叫做 descending order。descending order 是从大到小的排列 ，descending 是这种下降的、俯冲的这种感觉。Okay? And that is all for this question. Thanks for watching this video. This is Teacher J. Bye bye.